You land in India, you're starving, and the waiter just asks you something in Hindi you didn't understand. Here's exactly what to say back, plus 9 other phrases that'll save your trip. This is episode 2 of Hindi for Travelers. If you missed episode 1, How to Survive Your First Day in India, go watch that one right after this. Today, we're learning 10 essential hotel, food, and shopping phrases you'll actually use in India. Listen, repeat in your mind, and get confident. Let's begin. I have a reservation. मेरे नाम से बुकिंग है. मेरे नाम से बुकिंग है. What is the Wi-Fi password? Wi-Fi का पासवर्ड क्या है? Wi-Fi का पासवर्ड क्या है? Where is my room? मेरा कमरा कहाँ है? मेरा कमरा कहाँ है? Pause here and say all 3 phrases out loud before you keep going. Where is the bathroom? शौचालय कहाँ है? शौ, चा, ला, या, का, हाँ, है. All right, room sorted. Now let's get you fed. I am vegetarian. मैं शाकाहारी हूँ. मैं शाकाहारी हूँ. I need water. मुझे पानी चाहिए. मुझे पानी चाहिए. Not spicy, please. कृपया तीखा मत बनाइए. कृपया तीखा मत बनाइए. Save this video now. You'll want these food phrases pulled up at the table, not buried in your watch history. Fed and full, now let's make sure nobody overcharges you. How much is this? ये कितने का है? ये कितने का है? It's too expensive. ये बहुत महंगा है. ये बहुत महंगा है. Can you make it cheaper? थोड़ा कम करिए. था कम का री ये. थोड़ा कम करिए. Before we quiz you, here's all 10 phrases. One more time, back to back. मेरे नाम से बुकिंग है. I have a reservation. Wi-Fi का पासवर्ड क्या है? What is the Wi-Fi password? मेरा कमरा कहाँ है? Where is my room? शौचालय कहाँ है? Where is the bathroom? मैं शाकाहारी हूँ. I am vegetarian. मुझे पानी चाहिए. I need water. कृपया तीखा मत बनाइए. Not spicy, please. ये कितने का है? How much is this? ये बहुत महंगा है. It's too expensive. थोड़ा कम करिए. Can you make it cheaper? That was so good. Now, are you ready to take the quiz? Let's see if it's stuck. I'll give you the English. You say the Hindi out loud. Ready? Number 1, I need water. How do you say it? Number 2, it's too expensive. How do you say it? Number 3, can you make it cheaper? How do you say it? Number 4, where is the bathroom? How do you say it? Here's how you did. I need water. मुझे पानी चाहिए. It's too expensive. ये बहुत महंगा है. Can you make it cheaper? थोड़ा कम करिए. Where is the bathroom? शौचालय कहाँ है? If you got all 4, you're ready to travel. If not, no worries. Rewatch this before your trip and it'll lock in. Great job! Now you can ask the price of anything and negotiate it down. That's the phrase pair that'll save you the most money on this trip. Along with checking in, ordering food, and getting around your hotel. That's 10 essential travel phrases in your pocket, ready to go. If this helped, subscribe for part 3, taxis, trains, and emergency phrases in India. You'll want those before you land.